Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create this pretty pig art using Readi-Board. To begin, I've already printed and assembled my template using rubber cement. The template provided will look slightly different as the wing outline was added. I'm going to attach my template to my foam board with Repositionable spray adhesive. Then cut it out. A fresh blade in your hobby knife will make this part much easier. Remove the template. Remember to save the portion with the wing. I'm testing my fabric piece to get a feel of how it will lay on my pig. I'll apply regular spray adhesive to my foam board. Gently lay the fabric down. I like to smooth it down from the center and work outwards. To keep my fabric from fraying, and to make cutting around the edges easier, I'm going to brush some white glue along all my edges. Let that dry completely before trying to cut. Using the same techniques as before, cut out your wing piece. Instead of fabric, I'm using this embossed paper. Once again, I'm using regular spray adhesive to attach the paper to my foam board. Then cut along the edges. Now that the glue on the edges of my pig has dried, I can cut it out. This ribbon to cover my board's edges. I'll start where I will place my wing piece later, so that it conceals the ends. I'm using hot glue to attach the ribbon, working in sections all the way around. Now that my edges are covered, I'm experimenting with some buttons as potential eyes. I've got the other elements I will be adding later to see how everything will look together. I decided against the buttons. I'm using some jute rope to act as my hanging point for my sign. Allow the glue to cool down completely before attaching the other side. Next, I'll attach the wing. While that is cooling, I'll make a bow to attach my rope. I'm using a bit of string to hold this portion of the bow together. Leave some longer tails. We'll use this string later to attach the bow to the jute rope. I'll determine how I'd like my piggy to hang. Then pinch the rope together and tie my bow there. Once that is on, it's time to hang your pig up. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you'd like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.